Right first.
The right.
Okay.
Ready? One,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird is.
Baby, I'm flush. I mean, we're flush.
Well, I've heard that before. Where's my new phone you've been promising me?
Soon, baby.
Well, where is it?
Later, tonight. But I gotta meet with the gang first. And I gotta feed the bird.
What is it with you and that goddamn bird?
And I want the rest of my money.
Okay. What's up?
Yo, what's going on, man?
I'd like to thank y'all for coming out. The annual board meeting of the 69 percenters. Yeah! And I'd especially like to thank my number 2, Schlecht, for catering this event. I have the number 1 event planner in the city doing your catering for you.
Oh yeah, John Lawrence.
Ah, where are you?
I'm right here, boss. And so is your bike. You know.
No, Lawrence. I don't know. Why don't you tell me?
This goddamn Tommy bike. I knew you were skimming money off those Starbucks robbers. You told us you were saving some for some deal. The biggest job ever.
Aren't y'all down with the proletariat?
Fuck that,
No.
America!
No.
America! Burn!
Power to the people! That's how I wound up here. I don't understand how you got here, baby.
It involves my ex.
Is this your first time, new kid?
Yeah, it's my first time. I don't even know. I was walking to a porta potty to take a shit. Wait. My nose. I can smell everything. Hey, you.
Me?
Yeah, you had a pork burrito last night with extra guac and a hint of cherry pie.
How do you know that? Are you stalking me?
No, I'm a superhero.
Now, I am Super Sniffer, the local superhero. And this is Captain Smith. Now, before we begin, I have to inform you that everything happening here will be videotaped. Now, we can make this really easy. Just have one question for you. Are you engaged in any criminal activities that are trash related?
Who is the leader of the trash syndicate? Don't tell me to read your book. I read your book. It's a cover.
Detectives react, Kyle Smith. I got this.
Another successful day in the trash business. You know, I own every trash rack in this city, and all those fools don't even know it. It's mine.
I found you! You know, I've been sniffing around following that bird. And I finally come across it, that trashy bird.
You ain't got nothing on me. Nothing.
Why don't you try it? Is that all you got?
No.
Get against the wall.
Go back.
All right. This is for you.
Thank you, Super Sniffer.
Yeah, anytime.
Now you're under arrest.
What?
Breaking vigilante laws.
What? I've never heard of such a thing. So that's how I got here. But what about you? You said you've done this before? What's the story there?
Yeah, well, I won't get into any ugly details, but I've been around the block a few times.
Yeah.
Baby, I wasn't gonna tell you this earlier, but I ran into my ex.
Okay, thanks for the key code. That all worked out perfectly. Lilith, baby, it's been ages. You didn't look too happy walking out here. Trouble in paradise? Old man still cheaping you out of that new phone, huh? There. Take that. It's my gift from me to you.
No, I'm not falling for
No,
that.
it's totally legit. It's a new Apple 6. It's a secret brand new prototype. I know the designer. He's a neighbor. It's all totally above board. Totally copacetic.
Fine, whatever. I'll take it.
Here, you're gonna need this.
You are gonna go see the executioner.
Under what charges?
Possession of stolen property.
So that's how I wound up here. It was it's all because of the snake. Oh wait, it was the bird.